Make a great choice today with
The 2012 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.